Hello, you guys. Welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and I'm bringing you today how I make my homemade pizza. I love it, and I actually learned this from, as a point in my time, I was locked up and incarcerated. So pizzas was one of our favorite things to make. We used to make it out in the microwave, but when I came home, I just tried. The difference was from the oven. So these are the things that we have. You're gonna need you some pizza crust. You can use one. I have two because I'm making a big one. Pizza crust, and you also need crescent rolls. I like the butter flaky ones. A can of mushrooms. You're not going to use all that. A can of olives. Any type of pizza sauce that you like, it really don't matter. Mozzarella cheese and Velveeta cheese. I'm gonna tell you about this Velveeta cheese. Velveeta cheese tastes so good on pizza, especially when it melts. It just gives you a creamy taste. I love Velveeta cheese on pizza. Pepperonis, beef summer sausages. These are so good. Beef summer sausages and beef Polish kibasi. We're not going to use the whole thing. And you're going to need you some butter, one of these little sticks, a cutting board, and a sheet pan. So let's get to the crust. Let me move this stuff. Maybe I should have put this stuff over this way. So let's get to this crust. Open up one. You know what? I don't have my roller, but let me tell you something. That means nothing. Open up the pizza crust and then open up the crescent rolls. And this is a baking sheet. So you're gonna open it up. Listen. Spread it out. Spread this all over that. Then you take your crescent rolls and you're going to put that on top. Just unroll it. And I'm stretching it out to the size of the same of the crust. And don't worry about how, and like push it in. Get your edges together. I'll just bring this over some. And I'm gonna kind of like roll the edges like that. Just a little roll. So the oven is preheated to 450. And if you see like little holes that you see the pan, it don't matter, just fill it in. Melt your butter. Okay, I melted my butter. You're gonna get a little spread thing, dip it in there, and just go across the edges and then do the middle. Go ahead and place this in the oven just for 8 minutes and bring it right back out. While that's in the oven, let's get our meat together. Now cut up. You can put how much every meat you like. If you're a meat lover, it really don't matter. I love these beef sausages. Like, I don't know, it's something with this taste that I just love. You're going to peel off the skin. Cut it in half. Then hello? Huh?
What's your pay code?
Oh, 428. I'm doing this video. Ain't nobody out there?
I ain't got to the gate yet. I'm typing it now.
Just let me know when you're right there.
Okay. I'm about to be in the gate. Yeah, I'm right there.
Alright, I'm about to stop my video. Go ahead and call. Get you a skillet and just put these in there. So we're not going to use that much of this. So I would say cut about this much of the kielbasa. Put this in the skillet. Now your pepperonis, just take a few out because you still need these pepperonis to spread on the top. So just take just a little bit out, not that much, and dice these up. Pour the remainder of that butter you had, just pour it in there. And we're going to cook these on the stove. And go ahead and cook this till it's done. Look, our pizza is done. We're going to sit this to the side until we come back. Okay, I done cooked this for like 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to add some mushrooms. Put as much mushroom as you like. I'm not going to add that much. I'm just dicing my mushroom up a little bit. You don't have to if you don't want to dice yours up, but that's just up to you. Now that it's almost done, I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm talking about olive oil. Go ahead and let that cook down some more. Okay, we're going to drain this and just add this in a bowl. See, we're on to our next step. Okay, we're going to cut us up some Velveeta cheese. Whatever piece of cheese you like. I just like to use Velveeta and mozzarella, but that's really up to you. Slice you some slice. Here are our pizza crust. You can get whatever kind of pizza sauce you like. I just got Prego Pizzeria. And I'm going to evenly distribute this. Just use a whole bottle, huh? Excuse my dog. He's acting a fool because somebody's coming in. Gonna get you some garlic powder. That's what I forgot to tell y'all. And sprinkle it all over. Yeah. The mozzarella cheese. And just sprinkle a little bit. We're gonna add more, but we're just gonna sprinkle this on first. Okay. Get your meat and evenly distribute it all over the pizza. And just spread this all over. Now we're going to add our Velveeta cheese pizza. I might have cut too much cheese, but you get the drift. That's enough of this piece of vegetable. Sprinkle your mozzarella on top of this. Go ahead and place some more pepperonis on. You don't have to. This is optional. I just love pepperonis on pizza, and I also like the other meat, so yes. And the Velveeta cheese just make it so much better. You know, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that Velveeta cheese. Just a little bit more around the edges. Cheese, you can't have enough cheese on pizza. You don't want no dry cheese. Dry pizza. Go ahead and put this in the oven for just 10 more minutes or till the cheese melt, and we are back. Look at this delicious pizza. We just left it in there for 10 minutes until the cheese had melted, and I also let this sit for 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna cut this down. I wonder if I got a pizza cutter. I don't know. Let's get into this. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this crust. Let me get. This is so good. Let me know how y'all make y'all homemade pizza. What ingredients you put in there. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And just give me your honest opinions after you have tried this. This is so good. I've been craving homemade pizza. Look at this. Thank you all. Thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen. And y'all have a blessed day.